Hello, everybody. Good morning. Welcome to the Tellor Dev Call. Today is March 31st, 2025. And the last week, we've been doing a lot of manual tests for our new testnet, which is going to resemble mainnet a little bit more. We're almost at the point where we can open it up to the public. We will be doing that later on this week, and we will announce it right before we know that we're going to be doing it. So with that, Spuddy, how are the manual tests coming along? And
Great. As far as I can tell, everything works. We haven't tried every different combination of dispute yet. I made a Python script that gets me the status of all of the bridge requests. So I'm excited about that too.
Caleb, I know the chain has been running for at least a week now. How's that going?
It's going well. I guess you could say I'm disaster prepping, working through how we would need to fork anybody out or do anything either socially or non-socially if something bad were to happen. So just taking notes, trying to make sure that we're prepared for absolutely anything that happens.
Brian?
I'm actually going to work on a front-end monitor for the scripts that Spuddy was mentioning about the bridge transactions. Also getting ready the current bridge page, not only with some new functionality with the staking and delegating, but getting it ready for the new testnet as well.
Tim, any updates on the bridge?
I'm writing a few ADRs on data bridging and on some of the decisions we made on the token bridge. And also we're in the middle of transitioning the Sepolia side for layer. And so we're in the middle of that, and I monitor it, just make sure it's continuing to be in the right state. And then we've been kind of testing how long it takes to relay data, bridge data over to Sepolia, but I'm continuing with that using tipping and relaying to get that's the best measure of how fast layer can get data to our users.
Dan?
So we've got benchmarks for all of our begin blockers and end blockers now, and they all look good. Yeah, and then I'm going through a couple reporting and selecting ADRs.
Nick?
If you guys saw, we posted a Tellor security article last week. It's good. I just kind of updated it for what did Tellor security look like for users an old Tellor and now going to layer, or some of the security assumptions you can make about using it. Deep dive into blockchain security stuff. Good. And then I did a deep dive last week with Tim Clancy, who Spuddy introduced me to. And by the way, he's former Remilia, has a big Milady presence. I've gotten more likes on that post from posting it and the Milady community. So just huge shout out to them. Usually I feel like you get ignored on Twitter, but they all rallied around him as soon as anything was posted. So it was really cool to see.
Other members.
Yeah, but if you guys see any other deep dives you want me to do, let me know, because that one was good.
And Tim, we're expecting to also be publishing user examples.
Yes, yeah. Hoping to get some feedback on it from you guys first.
All right, well then we'll see you guys next week, and look out for the announcement of opening up this testnet for you to try. It is closer to production or to mainnet, so you will not be getting as many tokens, test tokens, as you did in the past. So make sure to save some also for gas. So some for staking, some for gas, and you're not going to get as many tokens as before because it's going to be closer to production. So keep that in mind. All right, see you guys next week.